And the intel agencies have released a photograph of Lashkar-e-Taiba commander Rehan Haider, who is also known as Chotu, and he is suspected to be behind the recent attack on an Indian Air Force convoy in Poonch district in Jammu and Kashmir. Now, Haider, classified as an A+ category terrorist, has been active in the Samba and Kathua regions of Jammu, and recognizing the severity of his actions and the threat he poses, the Indian Army has already announced a reward of 20 lakh rupees for information leading to his capture. So this is the latest update that is coming in as far as the attack on the Indian Air Force convoy that happened in Poonch is concerned. CNN News 18's Tejinder Singh is joining us with more details on this. Tejinder, can you tell us more about this suspect who is Lashkar-e-Taiba commander Rehan Haider?
Yes, Anjali, you see, security agencies who have been speaking to CNN News 18 say that Rehan Haider is a highly trained Pakistani terrorist who has been provided training by the Pakistan Army in the terror training camps which are operating in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and other parts of Pakistan. He has been trained in military warfare by the Pakistan Army. He's a cold-blooded murderer, what we have been told by the agencies, and he has been sent across into the Indian side to spread a reign of terror among the people. He is believed to be responsible for carrying out the terror attack on Indian Air Force vehicle in the Surankot area of Poonch, in which one Air Force personnel was killed in action. He is also believed to be involved in several other terror attacks in Poonch and Rajouri belt and also in Jammu region. For past some time, he has been active in the three districts of Jammu, Samba and Kathua. So you can well understand how trained he is, that he has been able to give a slip to security forces in many operations which were launched by the security forces to nab him. A cash reward of 20 lakh has already been announced by the army to ensure that he is either captured alive or he is neutralized. He's a Pakistani national, hardcore criminal, a hardcore cold-blooded murderer who has been provided training by the Pakistan Army and sent across to the Indian side to carry out terror attacks. But now a massive manhunt has already been launched by the security agencies. His picture has also been released, and people have been asked that if they get any information about Rehan's whereabouts, they should share it with the security agencies so that he is either nabbed or neutralized. Yes, Anjali.
All right, Tejinder, thank you so much for all those details. And with that, we're now slipping into a very short break, but there's more on the other side. Stay with us.